Welcome, and from is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I'll show you how to remove the battery from the device. So we'll start off by actually turning it off. Hold the power key and select power off and confirm it. And then one of the sides, on the right side of the phone, you will see this little place right here where you can put your finger, nail, and pull off the cover like this. So I'm just gonna, as you can see, it comes off. And from here, what you want to do is just push on the battery from the below where you have this little notch and take it out. And that's basically how you remove the battery. Now putting it would be as simple as well. Make sure you have pins right here. It's indicated by the plus and minus, as you can see right here. And you want to align it basically with this thing right here. It also shouldn't be, you won't be able to put in the battery the wrong way because of those notches right here. So if I even tried, it won't go in. Now if you put it the right way, it should fit no problem. And yeah, I'm just gonna put on the cover back. And now I can turn on the device. So, as you can see, the device is back on. That would be how you remove the battery and put it in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.